Hello and welcome to this presentation of Indexima Trial Platform. As a reminder, Indexima allows companies to access all their data to simplify and accelerate analytics thanks to a unique indexing engine combined with machine learning. Robust and scalable, the solution allows organizations to query all their data directly at the source, in volumes of tens of billions of rows in just a few milliseconds. This is zero time to data. This video is designed to help you start with our trial platform and discover how Indexima can accelerate your BI dashboards in just a few clicks. My name is Sebastian and I'm here to guide you through your first steps with our product. This video assumes you already have received your trial platform credentials. If not, please contact our commercial team at contact@indexima.com. Should you have any question during your test of the trial platform, don't hesitate to check documentation and tutorials available on docs.indexima.com. In this video, we will walk through a typical Indexima use case, by connecting and loading sample data, connecting the Tableau dashboard, then optimize this board with Indexima index optimization. But first, let's connect to Indexima trial cluster. Please open trial.indexima.com URL and log in with your user and password. This trial platform is ready for you to test our product, by loading your data source and connecting your BI dashboards. Please note that this platform is completely reset every day at 6 a.m. UTC. The button Cluster View allows system administrators to access the monitoring view of the cluster. You can see the status of the two nodes of this cluster, or analyze technical logs. Let's go back to the home page, and click on the Data view, which allows Data Engineer to load data, create and optimize index, and run queries. I will now present you with one of the typical use case. Linking Indexima to an external database. In the Data view, please open the catalog. As you can see, to ease your ramp up, we already pre-loaded some external tables from a Snowflake source. The yellow table is a 5 billion line table with New York City cab rides. The link to this external table has just been created, without any index. We will see later how Indexima will learn from our usage, to identify and create the best index to accelerate this table. The table pre-optimized, is the same table, on which Indexima has already ran the Smart Optimizer, to add the best suited index. Let me remind you that this is just a pre-loaded sample, but you can use the trial platform to load any external table of your choice. In order to load some data, you can run SQL commands, as described in our documentation, or you can simply use our Create Table interface. It will guide you through loading any external source of data into Indexima. Let's now open the console. To run few SQL queries, let's try a count on our New York City tables. As we can see in the queries listing, this request is delegated to the Snowflake source, as we don't have any index available at this point. On the other hand, when executing the same query on the pre-optimized table, we can see that Indexima intercepts the query and replies very quickly. I will now connect a BI dashboard to the data of our New York City sample. Indexima is dataviz agnostic, meaning that it can be used with any BI tool. To play with the trial platform, we provided you with a Tableau desktop workbook, already connected to your schema on the platform. Please open this dashboard to perform some analytics reporting on our New York City rides. When opening the dashboard, Tableau will ask to confirm your credentials. If Tableau drivers are not already installed on your computer, please refer to our online documentation. As you can see, the board is now connected to Indexima. We have now achieved a full circle of connection between Indexima, the data source and the dashboard. We see in the Indexima console the queries triggered in real time by our dashboard. But at this point, the board is not optimized. Any filter on the dashboard requires 1 minute to refresh. This is expected duration for manipulating this 5 billion lines dataset on a large Snowflake warehouse. Let's fast forward a little bit this video, as we perform 2 or 3 filters on this board. We now have triggered enough queries, for Indexima to learn from our usage and optimize our dataset. I will now show you how you can transform this super slow dashboard into a faster one, by analyzing the queries received and optimizing the table thanks to the hyperindexes. As a small reminder, an hyperindex is this in-memory structure that helps accelerate response times to up to 1,000 times. Please go ahead and click on Catalog to access our New York City cab tables. Indexima normally runs its optimizer on a regular basis. Trial platform is configured to trigger Smart Optimizer every 15 minutes. To speed things up a bit, we will now ask to trigger right now an optimization based on last day usage. Click on New Analysis, then on Last Day Tuning, to trigger the optimization. We can see in the Queries page, that some hyperindexes are being created. Analyzer can be customized to specific needs, but most use case will be better optimized with Automatic Analyzer. The hyperindex creation is progressing. Just wait for a few seconds to see the impact of those hyperindex on our dashboard. Okay, 3 hyperindexes have been created. Let's see right now the impact on our dashboard. I will now perform few filters on our board to see how long it now takes to refresh. As you can see, we went from 1 minute to few hundred milliseconds refresh in just a few clicks. That is what Indexima is. Up to 1,000 times faster in just a few clicks.